Hello TV fam, and ito na naman tayo, na nagsisimula na naman tayo sa ating regular routine.
We're back at it.
Yes, so today, balik tayo sa pagpunta sa mga open houses. We have, ilan na sa listahan natin? 5. So we have a total of 5 houses na i-visit natin today, and samahan nyo kami. Comment down below kung alin tingin nyo at mas prefer nyo na pwede nating mabili. Kaya tara na. So, isa sa mga pupuntahan natin is directly na malapit dito sa school ni Clark. Walking distance lang. Literal, nakapit bahay ng school ang townhouse na pupuntahan natin.
Narinig natin yung school bell.
Ayun. Hindi ko alam, ano ba yun? Consider advantage ba yun o disadvantage?
Pwede na advantage.
Yung naririnig mo yung mga hiyawan ng mga estudyante, yung bell, kung late ka na. Yan. Ayan lang yung playground, oh. So, yung pupuntahan natin is Unit 119. Itong unit na to, ito ba yung unit na kaharap niya yung parking space niya?
Hindi ko sure. Hindi ko pa nakita yung listing.
Malalaman natin. Yun yata yung nakabukas yung light eh. Yung sa harap. So, in terms of ano yun, ease of access, napakalapit nito. Yun nga lang, tignan natin kung yung
ano yung condition ng unit.
Tsaka yung building itself. Sana at least yung area natin hindi yung parang maingay. Visitor ba yan? Oh. Hindi yung maingay.
Tsaka first floor ka.
Oo.
Baka yung second floor mo maingay.
Diretsang-diretsa pala to sa ano.
Saan?
Ayan o, iyan ba yun? You think? What number is this? Yeah. Oh, this one. 119? Ito pala.
But why does it say no? Where's the open house?
What time is that? It doesn't say.
1:30.
Nakalagay sa 119?
Oo.
So, inaantay lang natin yung realtor nitong property. Ano tingin mo? Nasa harap kasi, kaya parang yung harap hindi ganun ka-pleasing.
Anong harap?
Ayan o.
Ng sidewalk?
Eto, pakita namin sa'yo. Yan bali yung harap, 'di ba? Tapos yung mga halaman parang hindi maintained. Yan na yun. That's the unit. That unit there. And then 2 floors siya. Yun yung floor sa taas. Yun yung tanong. Kung maingay ba? 'Di ba?
Yeah. We're directly below the unit.
Yeah. Siguro pag naingayan tayo, pupunta ka na lang sa living room mo. Kasi may 1 floor in between na nun. Pero hindi rin eh. Yung pagtulog, no? Si ate, late sa appointment. So, dahil inaantay pa natin yung realtor nung kabilang unit, may nakita si Joyce dito. Although, medyo nasa higher side nung budget. Itignan na rin natin habang nandito tayo at nag-aantay. Sayang kasi yung oras eh. Number 27, sabi mo?
Oo.
So, dito tayo. Ito na yung nabenta, oh.
Ano?
Ito na yung nabenta. Ayan, oh. Itong unit na ito, yung tinitignan namin, 1.1. Ang tanong, tinitirahan na kaya siya? Malalaman mo yan pag may nakabukas na ilaw. Okay. Although, ito din naman complex na to, hindi din ganun ka-maintained. Oo nga, may sapatos na sa labas, eh. Yan. Ano kamukha na rin yung realtor nun? Oh. Hello, here for the open house?
Yes, welcome.
Yeah. Do you mind if I get one?
Yeah, take it.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like the single house layout. Yeah, so
Single
living
house
room,
layout.
form dining, and in the back is a kitchen and family.
Is this gas?
Yeah, gas.
Gas? Working, right?
It's working.
Okay.
Are you a realtor?
Sorry? No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You just bear sale.
Yeah, correct.
It's a fully renovated last year.
Renovated last year.
Yeah, it's new. Everything's new.
What about the? I saw you have a forest air. Is that also new?
Oh, you mean the machine?
The-
No,
yeah.
no, it's new. It's newer. It's not original.
Oh.
Yeah, it's only for main floor. Yeah, so it's still working. Yeah.
Okay.
You don't need replace.
So this one is renovated.
Yeah.
Okay. Dishwasher. Okay, dishwasher. May dishwasher sila. Built-in oven. Okay.
Is this the first open house?
No, it's 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Let's go down first.
Yeah, downstairs is a garage.
Garage.
And
Oh, okay.
And the laundry.
Laundry.
And one playroom or theater room. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Is there a light there?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's side by side garage.
Oh, it's like a space. Oh,
Okay.
there's a room inside. Oh, the laundry is here. So this could be like a flex space.
A flex space. We flex space.
Yeah.
Tapos, laundry. Oh, yun nila yung downside. The laundry is downstairs. Okay. Ito yung garage, side by side. Naku, may work pala yung concrete.
What?
Concrete needs work. Ayun o, butas-butas.
Oh.
Medyo madami pa kailangan gawin to for 1.2. Okay. How's the... Oh, maliit yung size ng bedroom. Yeah. This one, queen size?
Yeah. But you can't fit a thing there. Maybe.
Toilet. Jack and Jill setup. Di man lang pinalitan yung counter. Mahal to para sa 1.2.
The master's is
Master size?
renovated.
Yeah, master
King
bedroom
bed.
size is okay. Oh, okay. Pero parang mahal to sa price niya. So unfortunately, kahit na may reason kung bakit hindi siya kasama doon sa listahan natin. Above na nga siya sa price, and then yung living space parang ang liit, ang cramped. Kaya balik na tayo doon sa isa sa dapat natin talagang puntahan. Ayan, mapansin nyo, puro Chinese yung nagpupunta or dito sa area na to particularly. Ayaw magpapasok. Iniyatamento ah. Ayan ang garden.
What are those styles like?
Ginamit lang nilang pampalaki ng parang patio.
Di ba ito nakawin?
May grills. Let's move our shoes here. Okay.
Oh, it's empty now.
So the owners doesn't live here anymore?
No.
It doesn't. Okay. Ah. So they converted this to a den. A den. And then they left this one open. Para hindi siya under the stairs. They kept it open dahil siguro hindi siya hininga ng permit. This one to sa taas. Yeah.
So what is this for? The workspace?
Yeah. Not bad. Washroom?
Yeah, connecting other room.
Okay. Usable toilet. Okay, original. Mix of original. Better living space. Oh, kitchen's not bad.
Like our kitchen.
Yeah, newer appliance, newer dishwasher. Countertop is new.
Range hood is new.
Yeah, and then sink, cupboards. Yung parang stove top lang yung kailangan papalitin. But the size of this one in terms of like yung parang main floor plan is, I think it's better than the other one, no? Ito yung mga pantry na bumabagsak na.
Not a fan of the kitchen actually.
Carpet pa yung stairs. Okay. Okay. What is this? Okay, one bedroom. And then yung lights niya sa wall pa rin din. Oh, ito pala sa atin. Yeah, baseboard. The space of the bedroom, not so bad. What about this? Oh, this is the master's.
Yeah, the walk-in washroom.
Oh, you have a walk-in.
Access to the
Oh. Oh, bathroom, that's work. Yeah. Medyo madami-daming gagawin dito. Mas maliit sa room natin.
Yeah.
And then you have a mini balcony here.
Oh.
Let's take a look at the other rooms. Oh, washer and dryer.
It's here.
Yeah, hindi pa nila pinalitan yung tinanggal lang nila yung linoleum. Okay, so medyo renovated washroom. Standing. Needs cleaning. And then the other room. Ba't kaya lahat tinanggal nila ng door? Ginawa nila yung curtain.
Sira. Sa akin na napalitan.
Oh.
This is small.
Yeah. Double size bed.
Saan garage siya?
Ito yung nasa gilid. Tanong natin kung nasaan yung... Hi there. Where's the parking stall?
Parking here. Go there. You want to come? I will show you.
Oh, is it like this?
This is the parking tree.
Oh.
Go down there.
Yeah.
They have the parking there.
Oh, I see.
How many stalls are there?
Two.
2 stalls? Okay. Thank you.
This unit has two.
Has 2 parking? Okay.
Thank you.
Thank
so
you.
much.
Medyo hindi natuwa si Mrs. So, punta tayo dun sa kabila. Yung counterpart nito here. Ito lang sa kabilang side. Malapit din yon, same price. Let's take a look kung mas maganda siya. Kasi magkaibang address pero parehong complex. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, may naglilipat. Naglilipat ba to? Nagmo-move out? Ha? Yan yung papuntang parking nila nung Unit 119. Ayan, same complex. Ito yung parang pinaka nila. Magkakatabi siyang building, oo. And then ito yung school sa kabila.
Parang mas maintained yung Jones side.
Oo nga, true. No? Pag tingnan mo yung dito, yung paint. So yung kabila, literally yung kabila. Ito yung next na check natin for a potential unit na pwede nating i-consider. Remax. There, that's her. Hello.
Do you have our little house?
Yes,
we do.
The parking stall of this unit is
It's right here. You know when?
oh,
Yes, right beside the door.
there's a door access going to the parking.
Yeah, so this like a real townhouse. You have a front yard,
Yeah.
and in the back you have your own.
Do you mind if I check?
Yeah, absolutely. Two parking stalls. This one beside the door, and the other one is not beside the door. Only one beside the door.
156? 155?
Yes.
This one?
Yes,
Oh.
yes. And the other one is 179 in the entrance, very close
In the
to
entrance.
the entrance.
Okay.
Yeah. Kitchen is renovated.
More or less the same size.
A big bed.
The washroom is updated.
Powder room, yeah.
3 bedrooms upstairs.
But unfortunately, the day one of the bedroom is not viewable.
Oh, not viewable. Oh, still original washroom.
Master's. Original pa ata siya.
Oh.
So it seems
Is this queen size?
yeah.
Queen.
Queen size. Oh, that's really small balcony.
Yes, really
Square.
small, but better than nothing.
Oh, okay.
This is the what? The closet?
Yes, closet.
Okay.
Yeah.
How is the closet? All right.
So is this the room that's not available?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry.
Okay. Updated washer dryer.
Yeah.
How's the size? Double?
Double.
Yeah. Double size bed. Thank you.
So may I know who is your realtor?
Oh, what's the name of your
Mario.
Mario.
Yeah.
Oh, Mario. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, thank you. So, konting assessment muna tayo.
Mas okay siya dun sa isa. Sa una.
Okay. Mas okay siya compared doon sa first. Yes, definitely. Pero anong vibe mo?
Mas okay siya pero parang hindi pa rin ako sold.
Hindi ka pa sold.
Ewan ko, naliit na
Medyo
ako sa kitchen.
na-feel ko din eh. Kasi mafe-feel mo naman yun na tarang
Oo.
pwede mong
may
pagtsagaan.
connection kayo.
Oo. So yung 1 and 2 for us,
X.
mukhang oo. X. Sabi nga ni Chelsea, X. Yan. So move tayo na yon sa ating property number 3. Ayan, kasama namin si Melissa. Siya ang realtor namin for today. So hindi na pala natin kailangan mag-fob dito, mag-buzz kasi may susi na si Melissa. Ah, wala. Ah, kailangan mag buzzer 527.
Pero unit 206 siya eh. Anong unit?
Ay, oo nga.
Tayo, 405.
So di susi pala to. Ano masasabi ng resident? Okay ba?
Okay
Okay
naman.
lang. Hindi pa siya magkatagos?
Yung parking lang ang
Tagos.
Pero yung mismong
Ah.
residence, hindi. Hiwa-hiwalay sila.
Oh, I see.
Windsor Gardens.
Okay.
As you can see, it's very nicely well maintained. Yeah. From the front entrance, but exterior, and a lot of work has been done.
Okay.
Oh,
Thank you. Well, I mean, you can shoot me too, but I'm sure it's my good angle.
Oh, for sure.
So yeah, the one thing I helped my clients buy into this 6 years ago, and I stressed.
Oh, it's the same.
Yeah, I stressed to them that you have to buy into a good building. Inside, you can do it later on, but outside is so important. So
Okay.
the building's been rain screened in 2005. When they
Okay.
did the rain screening, they did a complete renovation and took out all the windows and put new windows in, which is
Oh,
very
windows,
expensive as
okay.
well,
Yeah.
and balconies.
Oh,
so
and balconies,
rain
okay.
screening project is very expensive. It's
Yeah.
like a 50K to 100K per unit.
Per unit?
Yeah, and so that's all done.
Okay.
The roof is also fairly new as well too.
Okay.
The parking membrane is new. Pretty much everything is new. Common area is
Any
new.
upcoming levies?
Nothing that I saw. I
Okay.
read all the documents. I am on my own strata council, so reading documents is very
Yeah.
important. And
Okay.
nothing that I saw.
Okay.
All right.
It's actually one of the better buildings I've seen.
Okay.
I only stopped you here because I wanted to show you there is a guest suite.
Oh.
There's actually there's 4.
Okay.
So there's 1 in each building.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's rentable for $40 a night,
Okay.
which is excellent. Most buildings only have 1. So if
Okay.
you have a couple of friends, they can stay there, they can stay there.
Perfect.
We're gonna go to 405, as you can see, it's on this side. Everything else is on that side. So all the neighbors will go there. You're the only one that has a private hallway.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting. Okay.
So it's tucked away. It's a corner unit as well. Corner and penthouse unit.
Okay.
Oh, I'm back. Thank you so much. Come on in, guys.
Oh, nice.
The first thing you're gonna see is that mountain view there.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Closet. Yep. What do we have here? Oh, okay. So the hot water tank.
Yes.
How old is this? Do you know how old is the tank?
Yeah, you know what?
It's
I
so
have
original?
A feeling you're probably gonna need to replace that.
It's original?
Yeah, I don't know if it's original or not. I don't think so because original would be 35 years, but
Oh, okay,
I
got
have
it.
a feeling it's at least 10 plus.
Years.
Yeah, so
Okay.
something like that will be 12 to 1500 and it
Yeah,
lasts you for 10 to 12 years.
Okay. Okay. Spacious living room. This is the master's. Okay. I'm assuming this is the walk-in. Good size.
This unit comes with a 3 parking and 1 locker. Oh, yes, I did. They're only using 2 right now.
Yeah, this is the master's. Good size. Yeah.
Ito original yung kanya, no?
Original yan. Pati yung counter na yan.
Ano tingin mo, Melissa? Should we make an offer?
Oh my God.
Standing?
Ang
Standing?
daming nilinisip.
Hiniwalay niya.
Alam mo naman,
Shower and
si asawa, ang ano talaga, linis. Okay, at least yung tiles hindi naman papalitin.
Isang roll na yung bahay.
So, ang price ito is $749. I wanna check the, ito yung back. So, penthouse ka, so wala kang parang patio. Wala lang garden. Wala siyang garden kasi nga penthouse. Hindi ka pareho ng iba, they have some space.
Kasi first floor kayo, di ba?
Oh, what, may ganun kayo?
Iba lang ganyan
Yung-
space sa baba.
Nasaan si Melissa?
Meron, yung maliit. But
Is
it's
the
literally
kitchen?
like 8 feet deep. It's actually more like
They have a dishwasher.
Okay. And then, yeah, let me see if I have the photo, but you can't really see it from here.
So, I'm assuming you have,
Thank you so much for coming by.
yeah, may carburetor.
Yeah, you're welcome. Absolutely.
How's the size? Oh,
Small, with laundry.
with laundry?
Supposed to be a closet, I think.
Pang ilang bedroom ba to? 3?
1353 lang siya.
At least updated yung sink. How's the tiles? Yeah, I can make this work. I just need to replace some stuff.
Now you have laundry in your bedroom though.
Yeah, kasama na siya sa 3-bedroom. At least may bedroom. And then, pwede kang si Callan Cork.
Dito.
Oo. Kaya ba double dun? Kasi pwede yung pagtsagaan nyo kung kasha double eh. Pero at least you have a bigger living space in yung important eh. Ah. Ito yung tipong magbubukas ka ng cortina. Diba? Oy, Melissa. Oh, yeah. Ba't yung siya sa kabila? Yun.
Yung parking na nakatapat sa open.
Yeah.
Pag nagtsama ka.
So, may kasama siyang 3 parking spaces.
Lobby, tapos
Ayan, no? Medyo, ito na kasi, it creates that space eh.
yung open.
Yeah.
Schools here, I'm sure you're familiar with
Okay.
this, right? Very close to everything. All right, have a good day. Bye.
You have everything? You have your brochure?
Yeah, here.
Okay.
Okay, thanks so
Oh,
much.
any
Awesome.
questions? You guys just did your own thing, so it didn't bother you, but
It's okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
totally fine. If we're gonna be interested, we're gonna ask our realtor to contact
absolutely.
you.
Yeah, I followed
put
the
your
documents
contact there.
already.
Okay, alright.
Oh, thank you. Have a
Thank
great
you.
day. Bye-bye.
Okay. Maganda yung size ng elevator. Kasi pwede ka maglagay ng sofa dito.
Maglilipat ka.
Ready na. Tignan mo yung mga ganun eh. So, anong tingin mo? Anong tingin mo?
Ayaw ko lang isang room.
Pero so far, medyo okay. Nabenta na yung corner na townhouse eh.
May townhouse ba na?
Dito, yung dyan. Yung may number 10, kung nasa yung number 10 na speed limit. Salamat sa tour, Melissa. See you. Pero so far, ito yung parang pinakamalapit.
May potential.
Oo, sa potential talaga. No? So,
Yun naman, I can figure out that room.
off to the next property. So, andito tayo sa mga medyo yayamanin na neighborhood. Railway. Malapit sa railway. And number 2. Yung mga katabi mo dito,
Single bed.
mga single detached. And then dito sa parang cul-de-sac nila. Cul-de-sac o rotonda.
Cool this.
Mayroong 2 complex for townhouses. Yan. Tingnan natin yung itsura. Ito siya. 5311 Key West. Parang binigyan na rin tayo ng sign ni Lord sa sagot ng isang realtor. Yung huli natin pinuntahan. Sabi niya, important din daw yung exterior ng building. Kasi yung interior pwede mong palitan easily. Yung exterior hindi. Dahil nga strata yung nag-handle ng maintenance ng building. Ha?
It has its own garage.
Yeah, tapos you can park in front of it. Yun yung parang
So, isa sa
2-car garage. Yeah. Not bad. O, diba?
800 square foot.
1,800 square foot. Gas fireplace. Ayan, gas. Forced air heating.
好好好。
Ganda yung light. And from the main door, meron kang good size closet. Wait, aliwalas. Did you check this?
No what?
Of course.
Ito rin, para mga shelves.
Hindi ka maubusan sa storage.
This is your garage.
Okay, let's
One
check
car.
the size. Okay. Pwede ang van. Yep. May ano pa sila, may ano, tawag dito? Vacuum. Asa na sa main floor yung washer and dryer.
May door, oo.
Tapos ito yung forced air unit nila. Kailan to maintain? Uy, 2016. Medyo matagal na. Andito din yung hot water tank. Ito, medyo bago-bago pa yung unit. Okay. Other room, medyo updated.
Ito ba yung dining natin dito?
Oh, you would need to remove this
Alin?
para magkasya. Yeah.
前面是比较看 open 的，后面就比较私密。
Yeah, you don't need
Has to
that.
be this way. Or
Yeah.
pwede pa ganun.
Pwede rin pa ganun.
很长呀。
Yeah. Good size. Tapos ito yung parang garden. Maganda yung ano nito, yung window. Dahil medyo maaliwalas, malaki. Forced air. You have a nook. May carpet area pa rin.
What is this for? Watch your kids play while you're cooking?
Could be. Sana ano na lang nila, no? Diniretso nilang vinyl. That can be done. The kitchen is good size.
I like the layout.
No?
It's spacious.
Happy si Mrs. Happy tayo. Carburetor.
Gusto pa maging happy?
Gusto kita maging happy pero gusto ko rin na hindi tayo malubog sa utang. Samsung na ako. Kung palitin to, Samsung. Okay tayo.
So
Let's
this
go
is
up.
more like a pantry?
Yeah, pantry. Fenced yard. Okay tayo sa taas. There you go. Yeah. Let's go here. Masters. Yeah, good size. Good size. And then, I'm assuming ito yung closet. Oof.
This is the master's?
Yeah, good size. Ito, gusto mo itong gantong klase, oh.
Oh, yeah.
May mirror. You know? Diyan ka magpo-post-post.
Hindi. Gusto ko na mag So this is a nice size then. Stand up and...
Oh, nice. Yeah. Good size. Malamang papalitan ko yung cover nito.
Alin?
Ng
I
cupboards.
don't really mind the carpet.
Gusto ko itong standing. May bathtub. Papasa to. Ang tanong mo lang isug sa school. Ayan. Let's see. Baseboard heater.
More storage.
Yep.
Oh, it's nice. It's not sure like shared washroom. Okay, good size bed.
Okay. Medyo mataas yung bathtub nito. Oh, good size bedroom.
Yeah,
I
actually.
like the size of the bedroom. The neighborhood nito medyo
Quiet.
quiet. Not bad. Mukhang isa siya sa mga pasok sa banga.
Yeah.
What is the school attachment for this?
Just a walker and the yeah. And then the Stevenson.
Oh,
and, yeah.
Okay.
Stevenson Landing.
Jesse is just a walker, but Stevenson you may need a little bit drive.
Oh,
But
Drive.
you just
You 5 minutes. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Talagang hindi ka nakakuha ng perfect eh, no? Kung ano na lang talaga yung para magiging priority mo. And ano yung mapapa-make. How you can make it work. So for now, papasa ba? For now?
Oo.
Oo.
Okay yan. So far yan ang pinakagusto ko.
Oo. At saka dito yung tipong parang pwede sila maglaro. Dito sa ano. Yun nga lang, wala kang lalakaran na mga complex. Let's say, kung gusto mo
Oh,
mag-McDonald's.
yeah. It's quite far from the
Yung grocery.
commercial.
Pero ito pa lang yung so far nagbibigay sa'yo ng vibe. Well, apart dun sa isa, yung isa din nagbigay sa'yo ng vibe na, okay.
Yeah, but that one room kasi I feel like, what do we do
Yun,
with it?
yun parang kailangan mo lang ano,
You
pag-isipan
have
ng
to think
maigi.
outside the box.
Yeah, paano mo siya ipapamake work. Okay. Off to our last property. Sabi nga nila, save the best for last. Hindi ko alam kung save the best nga ba ang kalalabasan nito. So si Joyce nauna sa taas, no, dahil malapit lang naman yung property na pupuntahan natin sa building namin. So umakyat na siya. Ako na lang daw ang mag-open house. Ito na yung complex. So ito yung complex. Yung complex na to, katabi lang to nung building namin. And I'm assuming yung nakabukas na garahe, yun ang may open house. Actually 4 parking stalls to eh. Awesome, thank you. Dear Howard. So ito yung mechanical room. Water tank looks new. Forced air. I think this is a heater. Washer is new. Dryer is original. Carpet. Gas fireplace. Nice ceiling. This part. Yung floor niya parang nagbobow. Dishwasher. Ito yung dishwasher ng unit namin dati. Is this an investment property? Like the owner did not live here?
Just move out.
They moved out.
Yeah. For the owner live here.
Okay, okay.
Just,
So recently?
Go to the apartment. Yeah.
Oh, I see, I see.
Originally.
Okay, all right, thank you. The master's bedroom. Breezy, oh. Yeah, may sariling balcony yung master's bedroom. You have your closet. His and hers. Yeah, his and hers. Good size master's bedroom. Original. May stand-up shower. Bathtub. Pero kung makukuha ko to for this price, pwede pang patusin. This is over 2,000 square feet. Malaki yung area. 2,068. And then 4 parking space. 2 na side by side. And then dalawa pa sa labas. Tignan natin yung linens. Uy, may lalagyan na ng linens. And then this is the common washroom. Okay, pababa yung bathtub. That's doable. Tiles is not that bad. Pwedeng, I can make that work. Konting ayos lang. Next bedroom. Good size. Yung carpet lang, papali din talaga eh. Anyway. Hindi naman siya deal breaker. Another good size bedroom. Pwede dito queen. Side. So ang kagandahan dito, may screen na siya na paano, pero ang dami yung lilinisin, no? Those are all black mold, oh. Closet. Okay. Maybe yung crawl space ng attic. Something to think about. Tingnan natin kung magiging okay. Kung nakaabot kayo sa parte ng video na to, maraming salamat. No? So kung hindi pa kayo subscriber ng aming munting channel, click nyo na yung subscribe button, yung notification bell, para lagi kayong updated sa mga latest videos natin. Again, maraming salamat sa panonood at magkita-kita tayo ulit sa susunod na video. Paalam!
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city